Hey there, chemistry students. This is week number 5, and we are going to take what we did last week, which is concentration of solutions, and we're going to merge that with stoichiometry. Yes, I know you're looking forward to it. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so let's say we have this equation. We have a sodium chloride solution, and we have a silver nitrate solution. We mix this together and we're going to get solid silver chloride, AgCl, and we're going to get a solution of sodium nitrate. Now, we measure our solutions in terms of concentration and volume. So let's say we have 200 milliliters of a 10 molar solution of AgNO3. We'll add this. It is added to a concentrated salt solution. What mass of AgCl will form? All right, so we have a volume and a concentration. What we need to do stoichiometry is we need moles. But remember from last week, we can find out how many moles are present in a sample by simply multiplying the volume and the concentration. So if we start off with 200 milliliters of AgNO3, I don't want milliliters, I need to get it into liters, so I want to convert that. 1,000 milliliters is 1 liter, so that takes care of that. And I've got 10 molar, 10.0 moles in 1 liter. So if I stop right here, I'm going to get moles. So for example, 200 times 1 times 10 is 2,000. 1 times 1,000 is 1,000. 2,000 divided by 1,000 equals 2.00 moles. Right? All right, so I could now take that moles and I could put that into my general stoichiometry equation. But again, I don't need to do that. I don't need to stop at this point. I can continue on 200.0 milliliters AgNO3. 1 liter is 1,000 milliliters. 10 moles dissolved in 1 liter is 10 molar. Now, my liters cancel out. My milliliters cancel out. I'm left with moles. So now that I've got moles, I can go from AgNO3 to AgCl. And since the coefficients on those are both 1, that helps me out. I don't really have any math to add to that. So that cancels out my NO3, AgNO3. And now I can go from moles of AgNO3 to grams. And that's 144.32 grams. So if I calculate this out, I can get rid of 2 zeros there. I can get rid of 1 0 there. So that leaves me with a 1 on the bottom. I like that much better. So I've got 2 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 144.32. That's 288.64 over 1. Gives me 289 grams of AgCl. Why 289? Well, I started off with 3 significant digits in 10.0 molar. So there we go. That's all there is to it. We're adding one little point. If you have any questions, I have office hours from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I also have office hours from 5 to 6 p.m. on Monday. So, homework. I will put a link to the homework down below in the description. That's what it's going to look like. You have 3 questions. I'm giving you the equation. I'm giving you 2 different volume and concentrations of solutions. You need to figure out the theoretical yield for each of them. You need to identify the limiting reactant and what would be the theoretical yield for mixing those 2 together. All right, have fun.